Nice if you would drop down and give us that 25x to the cash in, so we can all just, try to do our, just get a slice of cheesecake after. What? Yes! Drop down and give us that 25x to the top slot cash in. It is, ladies and gentlemen, with the 25x, baby! Yeah! Ow, 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 ow! Welcome, everyone. Cash in, it is here. This is boring, but whoosha, whoosha, whoosha! 25x, please! Whoosh! Yes! Wow! All right, ladies and gentlemen, 2,500x, the biggest one! Woo! Ow, 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 ow! The shuffle is right now on, ladies and gentlemen. 25x to the top slot. Woo! That's what we're talking about, right? Right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, put on that Eminem's tunes, because one shot, one opportunity, 2,500x. If you don't decide, we'll automatically do the decision for you. But wow, decisions are done right now. Whoosha, whoosha, whoosha. Wow, so many big ones. I just, just go get them. Compliments to all the winners out there.
Video
Great
finished. Job. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.